we got to trust the simplicity of it, right? And so, um, right now, just to show how quick and how simple and how easy it is, I just invite anybody who's listening right now to just, when you breathe in, have the intention of opening and expanding, just opening and expanding your mind, opening and expanding your body, opening and expanding your heart, your consciousness, the bubble of your aura around you. Just turn to your breath, take in a long, deep breath, and have this intention and give yourself the experience of expanding, opening and expanding. And you don't even have to imagine it, because when you breathe in, your chest is opening, you are expanding. And so the breath triggers that experience of opening and expanding. And what are you opening to? Wisdom, inspiration, spirit, life, healing energy. Fill in the blank yourself, but just begin to use the breath to literally open and expand. That's the mantra that's connected to the inhale: open and expand. Side to side, front to back, top to bottom. It's a physical exercise, but it's an energetic uh, practice. You're opening and expanding. So you're doing the work. You're an active seeker. You're practicing Kriya Yoga. You're doing something to move you towards your liberation, towards your enlightenment. A simple inhale that's done consciously right now. And then the exhale, you relax and let go. That's the mantra for the exhale. And when you relax and let go, grace descends. As you relax and let go, you are filled with something. So on the inhale, we open and we pull in energy, and we open and expand. But then when you relax and let go on the exhale, your borders, you break out through your borders and you radiate out past your borders, and you also drop into your center at the same time. So take a few breaths like that with this intention: open and expand, and make the inhale long enough and slow enough so you can actually feel the opening, the expansion, the filling of yourself with energy. And then on the exhale, just let go, just surrender, just relax. Don't do anything. And the breath pours out of you. And as the breath is pouring out of you, spirit is pouring into you. So have that visualization, have that intention, and then just start taking one breath after the next with passion, with enthusiasm, in a very Zen-like way, each time as if it's the first time. Even though you're breathing again and again and again, you don't want to be robotic. You want each breath to be very conscious, very intentional, and anybody can begin to move towards where they need to move. The breath will do the work for us if we engage in the breathing. Very, very simple.